install cladding on light steel frame walls, you will have to install the shutter ply boards and sheeting on the outside of the building. First, install the shutter ply boards. You have to make sure that the boards start and end directly on a stud center. It's preferred to cut off 20mm of the shutter ply board to the exact length of 1200mm to make installation easier. Alternatively, you have to insert a 80mm strip at the back of the board joint and screw them together from inside the back. Screw the shutter ply boards to the wall panel with drywall tech screws about 230mm apart on edges and center lines, minimum 10mm away from the edges. The easiest way is to place your thumb on the screw and stretch your pinky out. Install the next screw where your pinky is placed. Install the next board and ensure to leave a vertical and horizontal gap of 2mm between the boards. You have to use a full board over the start and end of each window or door opening to prevent cracks from the corner of the openings. Never make a board joint in line with the wall opening. Then install the moisture membrane on top of the shutter ply boards and fasten with a staple gun. Install the window flashings according to the window detail video. For the damp goes down, then install the sheet on top of the shutter ply boards. Place the first sheet 15mm lower than the top of the foundation. Make sure that you cut the sheeting accordingly to fit around the truss's top cord and install with tech screws on every second rib. Install the next sheet and let them overlap with one rib. Then fasten with tech screws on the overlapped rib. You need to cut the sheeting perfectly around the windows and doors to fit perfectly around the flashings. For every 4 sheets installed, measure the top and bottom of the first and last rib to make sure that the sheeting is installed straight. Continue using this method to complete the installation.
If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.